Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I'm going to talk about Retrofit Kit, safety for Blodgett part #52301. Retrofit Kit, safety for Blodgett part #52301 is a safety kit designed for Blodgett ovens. The kit includes a variety of components that help to ensure the safety of the oven and its users. The kit includes a temperature limit control, a high-limit thermostat, an adjustable air shutoff valve, and an adjustable gas shutoff valve. The temperature limit control helps to prevent the oven from reaching temperatures that could cause damage or injury. The high-limit thermostat helps to prevent the oven from overheating and potentially causing a fire, the aegis. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Retrofit Kit, safety for Blodgett part #52301 is designed to improve the safety of Blodgett ovens by replacing certain components that may be worn or damaged. It includes a new door latch, door hinge, and door handle. These components help to ensure that the oven door is securely closed and latched, preventing accidental opening and potential burns or other injuries. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions provided with the Retrofit Kit. Safety for Blodgett part #52301. 2. Disconnect the power to the oven before beginning installation. 3. Remove the existing safety valve and replace it with the new one provided in the kit. 4. Securely attach the new safety valve to the oven using screws or bolts as specified in the instructions. 5. Connect any wiring as specified in the instructions and ensure that all connections are secure and tight. 6. Test the safety valve by turning on power to the oven and checking for probe. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.